I got some paint for the Street Glide. Might be able to touch up this stuff and this stuff a little bit. I'm not gonna get too carried away because I don't know. I heard that it's kind of hard to get matte to match, I guess. Okay. Well, yeah. Color-Right is the brand. Harley Charcoal Denim. It says it requires eggshell. I'm assuming that's the other piece of this puzzle that I got. Yeah. See how well this matches. Do a couple small coats. I think that I want to do just this whole area, just kind of make it look uniform, just almost like this. I don't know, maybe not. We'll see. The only my son around. Be a maker. Ain't got no time. Be the maker. Well, that didn't work how I wanted it to. Dang it. There we go. Okay. Good enough, though. So. Perfect.
Concrete mixers and lemonized coolers made with Skills Pop. This limited time Skills Pop mixing
Alright, I kind of got ahead of myself without filming, but I primered it, let the primer dry, and sanded it down with 600 grit, and then applied my paint, and then I'll be applying the clear coat. And also, there was a little spot in this corner. This is right there. This is primer, and yeah, I'm gonna have to do the same thing with this one as I did with that. There was a pretty big chip right here. I figured might as well do it as well. The clear coat has a hardener in it, and as soon as you release the hardener, they say to use it within like 36 hours or something, so figured I might as well do it while I'm here. Check this out though. So this has been drying for a while. It says not to handle it for 6 hours, so I'm gonna have to let it dry overnight before I take everything off. But it seems to match pretty dang well. So, yeah. Moment of truth. Let's see how well this matches. This looks pretty dang close. Yep. It's definitely raised a little bit more than I was hoping, but whatever. Good enough. Excuse me. Maybe I should have peeled this earlier. My paint didn't all stick to the dang. Yeah, so we'll put this one kind of as a fail. Dang it. Oh well. It'd be funny if I could rub this off. That kind of sucks.